Greetings, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, October the 27th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check see where we left on the market here today. So SPX, still green on the month. Couple days left in the month for it to hold there. Weekly chart, again, down 10 points here today. It's still a little bit of lower shadow here as we are kind of sliding down the bottom of this this corrective channel right here. Possible bull flag if we can get out of it. Narrow range inside day, narrow range NR7 inside day today, so definitely building up some energy there for a potential move. We just have to see which way it goes. Let's take a look at the SPY and see what type of volume came in here today off of this inside day. So volume today was a little bit less than yesterday, but a little bit more than 2 days ago, so that's always a good thing. So we'll see how that goes there, and where it leads. We got to get over that 50-day moving average. Just kind of a quick rejection on that one here today. Let's take a look at the S&P futures and see what we did today. So today was all about trading off of the levels today. So 15 orb high was a huge one, right? And then our signal zone below is a big one as well. We actually caught a nice short off of this one here. We pointed out a nice short on the futures here today in the futures channel in our Discord. Nice little retrace up here for a down move, right? And another retrace here back to the signal zone, back down, right? So today was basically just kind of a balanced day today. So when we see those, we look for responsive trades off of key levels. Let's take a look at the MES and see how that's doing here. Okay, so MES, again, we had that geometric line here that we drew earlier today, and we broke down below it here after hours. Again, let's see how it holds tonight. Again, a little bit of a rough day today. Let's see how it holds there. And again, it was all about kind of pushing below the overnight lows, and we finally got that there today. But again, really choppy session. Could be channeling down here into the evening. We'll see how that goes into the rest of the night, and if they can get, maybe possibly try to get above that geometric line above. The Qs, again, had a big push here into the close, and then after the close, it kind of pulled back a little bit here. But we'll kind of keep an eye on it right here. Microsoft just reported, looks pretty good. So we'll see how that, at least good with numbers. I'm not sure. I need to look at the chart here in a second. But IWM pulled back too. The banks were relatively weak today. Airlines were weak today. Casinos were weak today. So we saw a lot of that across the board. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple. So Apple, again, kind of hung in there today. Gave a couple breakout moves here today. Nice little retrace right here for a pop. Let's kind of take a look at this from the lows here. Activate. And we'll go to the highs. To here. And kind of consolidated there at the 382 for a little bit. Couldn't get a move off of it. Tagged the 50 and then started to go. It's a little bit retrace off of that one. Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla here. So Tesla, again, a big push at the open, then kind of a nasty little pullback there intraday, just kind of slid its way down here. Might be a larger bull flag type forming, so let's kind of keep an eye on that on Tesla. Daily chart. Inside week so far, daily chart right at the upward trend line right here. Let's see if we can get over that 80 MA, get over this old geometric line, and start going again. So we've got that going on here. All right, let's take a look at some of the big earnings coming up this week. So Microsoft, one of the highest weighted names on the S&P and the Dow. So let's see how that reported here tonight. So they actually beat on earnings, they beat on revenue, and I think their cloud numbers are pretty good right here. So it is pushing up here after close. Not a huge move, but it is helping prop the market up here. We've got Boeing reporting tomorrow morning, guys. So again, that was a big flush into the close. Let's see what they have in store for tomorrow. Again, good follow through off of yesterday's nasty down move. Now let's see if Boeing is able to surprise. It's coming right here to the bottom of the triangle. Nice follow through from yesterday. Let's see if they do better. I'm not saying they're going to have great earnings. It just might be better than expected, and that might be enough to try to get back over the triangle. So let's see what Boeing has in store for tomorrow morning. FSLR, a couple solar names reporting here tonight. Inside the FSLR, just rip. These solar names are so strong. This one is pushing here into the close right here. ENPH, another one. Big push right there, right? So nice push off of that one too. Again, these solar names are just ridiculous. And then one more to kind of keep an eye on going into tomorrow is NEO, right? So NEO monthly chart looking super good. Look at that, guys. We broke out with volume out of the bull flag right here today. So let's see if NEO can get some follow through going into tomorrow. So good stuff, guys. I really appreciate it for tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the free YouTube live stream tonight at 7:30 when we continue our discussion. And until then, stay healthy out there and remember risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And thanks for your support.